Hello again, this is the glycine transporter protein folding simulation. And basically, this is a protein in neurons that regulate glycine and transport across the neuron or whatever. And more or less, it's prominent in schizophrenia and Parkinson's disease and some other disorders. And we're trying to better understand this glycine transporter to better understand how to cure these diseases. In any case, I'll let you listen to the music now and have a good day. Goodbye.